So I'm on the balcony and I'm watching this guy wipe down his car. We live right by the beach, so most of the cars accumulate a lot of dirt. But I'm watching him as he goes into every nook and cranny, every single little crevices, places or spots that you don't see on a normal basis. You'd have to really look to be able to see the dirt. And he is literally cleaning every single bit of that car. And it brought to mind how the Holy Spirit works in us, how this Spirit brings to light the dirt, the filth, the dust, the flaws in us, so that way we may present our flaws, our errors, our areas of our lives that need to be cleansed to Jesus, so that He may wash our sins